And welcome to your midday sports report. Beach Soccer Jamaica will get another chance to seek membership with the Jamaica Football Federation as they were given the green light to resubmit their documents ahead of the December 20 cutoff date to be eligible for the election process. They were rejected at the recent JFF board meeting in favor of Beach Football Association of Jamaica. However, a discrepancy with the documents of Beach Football Association of Jamaica Limited saw them being sent back to the line of suitors. This has reopened the door for Beach Soccer Jamaica to return to the race. According to JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung, Beach Soccer Jamaica has also been updated on where they went wrong with the first application after a communication with Antonio Bell, a director of Beach Soccer Jamaica.
This morning I would have seen the documentation from Beach Soccer, discussed it with the president, and he agreed that what we should do is just look back at the Beach Soccer Beach Soccer Jamaica application also at the board meeting, which is going to come before Congress, and then the board, of course, will deliberate on it.
The first round of the Issa Walker Cup competition gets underway this afternoon, with Haile Selassie hosting Eltham. In other games, former champions Excelsior High will battle St. Jago. Campion College will play Jonathan Grant, while another former champion, Woolmer's Boys, will oppose Kingston Technical. All matches will start at 3 p.m. Meanwhile, the Issa Da Costa Cup will have the start of its quarter-final round this afternoon, with 4 matches being slated. Defending champions Clarendon College will face Christiana High. Glenmuir host Manchester High. BB Coke square off against Garvey Maceo, while Dintel Technical will play Cornwall College. Those matches will also start at 3 p.m. England have claimed their second victory of the ICC 50-over World Cup following their 160-run win over the Netherlands in Pune. Having decided to bat first, Ben Stokes put in a man-of-the-match performance with a century, which guided England to 339 for 9. Stokes hammered 6 fours and 6 sixes as he got to 108 from 84 deliveries. He got good assistance from David Malan, who notched 87, and Chris Wokes, who made 51. Bastelid was the chief wicket taker for the Dutch, bagging 3 for 74. There were 2 wickets each for Aryan Dutt and Logan van Beek. In their reply, the Netherlands' chase never got going as early blows by Wokes and David Willey did damage. They were dismissed for 179 in 37.2 overs. Teja Nidamanuru was the bright light for the Netherlands, top scoring with 41. They must finish in the top 8 to qualify for the Champions Trophy. And while victory in Kolkata would all but guarantee qualification, they could already be safe if other results go their way. This defeat mathematically ended the Netherlands' chances of finishing in the top 4. They'll face leaders India in their final game on Sunday. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.